Hello everybody, this is Miss D and we are going to read a Dr. Seuss book. If you think there's nothing to do, this is a good book. So, let's get going. If you are bored or perhaps even blue, or if you think there's nothing to do, well, that's not the case and I'll show you why. Here are some things you might like to try. You can juggle some books, or you can read them. Balance cats on your head, or pet them and feed them. You can purchase a tank, fill it with fish, a turtle, a snail, some plants if you wish. But when you feed fish, do not give them a lot or the fish may not fit in the tank that you've got. Do not lie around doing nothing at all. You can pick up the phone and give someone a call. You can stay in the house and fly kites in the hall, or try going outside to play ball on a wall. You might want to spruce up what you wear every day. You simply get started in your usual way. Then try adding feathers or some polka dot shoes, a small hat, a top hat, whatever you choose. You can pedal a bike, you can paddle a boat, you can saddle a rhino or ride with a goat. You can swim in a pool on a day that is hot, or skate on the ice on a day that is not. Jump over a chair, bounce on a bed, swing through the air, stand on your head. Standing on your head, I think you'll agree, changes the perspective of all that you see. Find some things that go bang. Find a thing that goes boom. Add a thing that goes toot. Now march out of the room. Dun, da, da. They're having fun. You can play tic-tac-toe with your hands or your feet. Sometimes you will win, sometimes you'll get beat. I like playing tic-tac-toe. Hide behind a curtain or up on a shelf. You can hide from a friend, but not from yourself. Here is an idea you can try if you dare. Count to 10 as you stand with 1 foot in the air. Oh, I don't know if I could do that. Can you? If you are hungry, try butter on bread, or what about donuts? You could try those instead. You can scramble some eggs, or you can fry them. Green eggs and ham? I think you should try them. There are many things you can do with your voice. It's all up to you, so just make a choice. You can talk, you can sing, you can whisper, you can shout, but being too loud may get you sent out. You might want to grow plants. It is not very hard. Plants will grow in the house if you don't have a yard. But be careful with seeds. Do not fling them about, or you might be surprised where your garden will sprout. Oh, look at that. Try taking a pencil or a pen and some ink to write down your dreams and all that you think. You might want to paint what you see in your head. Don't paint on the wall, use some paper instead. Oh, that's so pretty. You can build something new using everyday things like bricks and sticks and blocks and strings. Oh, they're being very creative. Oh, so I hope you can see what I told you is true. It is never the case that there's nothing to do. So you always have a choice. There's always something that you can do. Always. Thank you so much for reading with me. Bye-bye from Miss D.